Hey, I'm trying to swap my oil pan on a S14 RB25, and it looks pretty hard, but I'll find a way to get it out easy without taking a lot of stuff apart. So I had to take out the stabilizer bar, and then get the nuts off the engine mounts from both sides. Of course, get the size 10 bolts out of the oil pan. And then I got then after I couldn't get the pan off the motor. So what I end up doing on losing the subframe bolts, nuts, and just put a pry bar in there, and I was able to, and I had to do to both sides, get them loose without disconnecting any lines, anything else, just trying to make it simple. Then I had to lift up the engine mounts from both sides. I mean, I have a lift, so it's a little bit easier, but that's the easiest way. And then just lift up the engine, and then you have to play with it a little bit to get it off. But as you can see, I got it off. RB25 S14. It's a 95 Nissan 240 SX. And that's Chucky right here. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you, because I was trying to find an easier way to do it, but I seen all these people taking the whole subframe out, which it doesn't make no sense for me. I mean, anybody find a way to do things, but I'm trying to find the easiest and the fastest way without spending all these hours trying to get this oil pan done. Okay, and I have the new one right here, the new oil pan, and because this one, it just cracked, it started leaking all the oil. It was pretty bad, it was beat up. So thanks for watching.